we really felt the responsibility of what we needed to do in order to protect our people.
We changed from 8-hour shifts to 12-hour shifts in 3 days. Having teams and shifts just made it possible, made it very, very easy.
The ability to be at a task, hands-free, reach out to an expert, and they can work through the problem together. And that saves a tremendous amount of time, eliminates travel, and resolves the problem more quickly.
This is actually a game changer. It reduces the time to get the solutions.
Part of the Toyota Way is a concept called Genchi Genbutsu, which is go and see the problem. We turned teams on in the plant to film the process. They were able to accomplish in an hour something that would have taken weeks to plan, if not months, and days to go visit.
With teams, everybody's on the same channel. I can communicate with the people in the back of the plant in receiving inspection and get an update on the parts and the inventory status for the raw material that we need. We can send them pictures, we can send them files, we can send them quality documentation.
That allows me to spend more time with my associates getting our production and our quality goals met.
I see teams enabling us to really facilitate and grow.
We have maintained in the Americas every project that we had scheduled during the COVID crisis.
It's one thing to organizing and push it out, but then it's the people that are affected by this. I mean, those are the heroes, definitely.